This 17th episode of Marabu Maruthuvam is dedicated to the sacred memory of great hero of our times, Father Stan Swami S.J.
Today we are going to see something about the Delta variant of the coronavirus. The coronavirus that originated in Wuhan of China and spread throughout the world, causing the greatest pandemic of this century, causing the greatest loss of lives and property, has now taken different forms. Virus is essentially a complex aggregation of non-living chemicals. Basically, virus consists of a genetic material, RNA or DNA, some proteins and enzymes in the core of the virus, which is called capsid. This capsid is surrounded by an envelope which is made up of some lipids and proteins. Virus is an obligate intracellular parasite. It cannot replicate outside a host cell, so it has to enter into a host cell like humans, animals and plants. In the case of coronavirus, it enters into the host cell, uses the facilities available within the host cell to replicate. When it replicates, the progeny may be similar to the parent. Occasionally, the sequences in which the chemicals are arranged in the parent may get malaligned in the offspring or new virus. So, when there is some error in this alignment, the new virus is called a variant, because it will be slightly or more different from the parent virus. For instance, we have seen white roses which are different from the original roses which are rose in color. Similarly, the new offspring or the variant may be more dangerous, occasionally less dangerous. So, regarding coronavirus, in UK the variant was called alpha variant, South Africa it was called beta variant, in Brazil it was called gamma variant, and India delta variant. In the case of Delta variant, it is also called B16172. It also gives rise to another sublineage variant which is called Delta plus variant, which has got some slight modifications in the or mutations in the spike protein of the Delta variant. Why we are bothered about the Delta variant? Delta variant has become the most dominant variant of the world. It has spread throughout the world, almost more than 100 countries. It has become the fastest and fittest variant of the coronavirus particles. In England, a study says Delta variant has overpowered the Alpha variant of the UK, and it is spreading 100% more faster than the Alpha variant. It is causing infection 100% more than that of the Alpha variant. So, Delta variant is able to spread and cause havoc because it is also capable of overcoming or overpowering the immune system of the human body. It is causing very severe sickness. People are getting very easily sick. Hospitalization rate is more. Young people are getting infected more with the Delta variant. What are the symptoms of Delta variant? In the first and second wave of coronavirus in India, we had fever, body pain, breathing difficulty and extreme tiredness. Then we had also loss of smell and taste as well as cough as predominant symptoms. But with the Delta variant, it is different. Headache, running nose, sore throat and mild fever are the symptoms of the Delta variant. Loss of smell and taste, cough are less prominent when compared to all other previous symptoms. It causes a disease more or less like a common cold. So people will not take it seriously. They will think that it is a common cold and they will not seek medical help. So by this way, they will be spreading the disease to the society unknowingly. So what to do? How to prevent? Prevention is only through vaccination. Almost all vaccines, including Covishield, Covaxin, Pfizer, are very effective against Delta variant. So please don't panic. If you get infection, be bold, then be confident, then seek the medical help. We had been advising corona patients in the first wave, and we are also doing the same thing in the second wave. In case if any one of you gets infected with the Delta variant, don't panic. Kindly contact us. We will be able to help you with our simple means. Thank you. தொண்டு செய்வாய் தமிழுக்கு துறைதோறும் துறைதோறும் துடித்தெழுந்தே.